Hey adventurers, welcome to our new home. As you may or may not know, we left New York City and now we live in Las Vegas, and today we're going to be giving you a tour of our apartment. Special thanks to CORT Furniture Rental for sponsoring this video. In New York City we were in a small studio, and now we're in a 2-bedroom apartment. It's huge compared to what we're used to, but it's really nice to be able to separate our workspace from our hangout space, from our relaxing space, from our sleep space. We don't have that much stuff. When we moved out here, all we did was move a car full of what we owned. But what was great is that CORT helped us furnish our apartment. In New York, we only needed a couple pieces because we were in a studio. But now that we're in a 2-bedroom, we could fill it out a little bit more. We got a dining table, coffee table, a side table, a desk, chairs, and even a bed. And now that we're here for a year, the experience was just as easy as it was before. This time, rather than only shopping online, we actually stopped by the showroom to check it out. It was nice being able to sit on stuff and see how it looked and what size it was as we figured out what we needed. After we finalized everything, we scheduled a delivery day. They came in and moved it in no time. Now we live in a 3rd floor with no elevator, and they got it up with no issues. I really wanted to film them moving in and all these different angles, but they're so fast. They were in and out in half an hour or so. We could show them exactly where we wanted it, and they helped us get it to the right spot. And when we're ready to move to the next city, they're gonna come pick it up for us too. So whether you're looking to furnish your entire apartment or just to pick up some items that you still need, it's a great option. You can rent anywhere from 1 month to 12 months to endlessly. Okay, are you ready to see our place? As we walk in, we walk down a long hallway where we have our Polaroid photo gallery. We come into the kitchen/living room where we hang out. We absolutely love this high-top dining table that we got from CORT. And of course, we had to put a map above it as we plan our trips. What also drew us to this apartment was this window in the kitchen. With Esther's chemistry major, we used beakers to decorate the shelf. The kitchen bleeds into the living room space where we have 2 separate nooks. One centered around the coffee table we got from CORT. On the flip side, we have another nook with a record player. Moving on, we're gonna head to the bedroom. We got a beautiful headboard and console table from CORT. It's a perfect place for us to set up our books and also just make this room homier. And of course, our bathroom, where a lot of business happens. Next to the master bedroom, we have our office/guest room. Since we spend a lot of time sitting in here, we got really comfortable office chairs from CORT. The beautiful white desks are also from them. When we do have guests, we can set up an air mattress in the room, and we turn our closet into our gear closet. And that's our home for the year. We're gonna be here in Las Vegas for the next year, doing a lot of outdoor adventures, rock climbing, hiking, and exploring the surrounding area. I really wish we could take credit for the decor of our apartment, but we're really bad at interior design. Special thanks to Dana and Monica for coming to help us decorate and set everything up. And whether you're moving or just looking to test some furniture out in your space, be sure to check out CORT. Also, let us know in the comments below, what should we do in the Vegas area? Thanks guys, and we'll see you soon.